So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we are going to be talking a little bit more about our new auto trading platform for options. So as we've hinted to and alluded to many times before in the past, we are now in the final stages. We're probably about 30 to 45 days out here from releasing our new auto trading platform for traders. And again, this is revolutionary software that we're going to be releasing. Nobody has this. No broker, no website, no hedge fund. Nobody has what we are building. It's completely proprietary to us. And I wanted to kind of give you some of my thoughts on why we're doing this and kind of what it will look like in the future. Now, of course, we're going to be adapting and changing this thing on the fly, on the move, if you will, with feedback that we get from our users. So there's kind of a core foundation to this platform and this technology that we've built. And of course, we want to get a lot of feedback from users. And once we start releasing that software to our elite and our lifetime members first, I'm sure we're going to get some ideas and some feedback on how we can improve and tweak the system to make it a lot better for you guys. But the whole idea behind our new auto trading platform is really to reduce the time drag that you guys have in trading options. Now, I've known that this is an issue for many years. In fact, I talked about why auto trading is going to be the future of options trading almost a year and a half ago in a weekly podcast that we did. But the reality is that more than 90% of the trading that happens in the market is done by computers. And I'm not just saying computers that we are using to then manually click. I think that a manual click or a manual entry is going to be a thing of the past. It's going to be something that we look back on and wonder to ourselves, I can't believe we used to do that. It's probably like making a phone call and having a, operator on the other end connect you to somebody else. It's going to be that archaic in a couple of years. And so we want to be on the forefront of that. And we want to be a leading factor in making sure that whatever auto trading platforms that are built with the scalability and with the functionality that can facilitate and manage basically anything that your mind can come up with or can create. So our auto trading platform is going to be very, very user-friendly to people who are coders, but then also to people who are not. So we're going to have a lot of templated strategies in there that you can use based on our back testing and research. But then if you do have the ability to then code your own strategy, you'll have full functional capacity to code your own strategy in our platform. And that's really cool because now what we can start to get into is this crowdsourced development of trading ideas. So what I've wanted to do for a long time is I wanted to tap into the resources and to the knowledge that we have in the Option Alpha community. We've got nearly 100,000 traders in our community. And by far, that's probably one of the biggest options communities out there. And we know that we've got really smart, very successful traders. Well, now we can start tapping into that by creating bots around those strategies. And people can choose to share their bots publicly with the rest of the community. So if, Joe creates a bot and that bot does really well and that trading strategy is, performing very well because we can all see the stats of that. We can't see his account and how much money, he has in his account. So we keep all the things private that need to be private, obviously. But as far as like returns and win rates and drawdowns, we can see that. And from one click, we can go over and copy or clone that bot that Joe's trading and then confirm and trade it on our own account. And that type of crowdsourced options trading knowledge and development is something that we've never seen in the market before. People have tried to replicate it. People have tried to do something very similar, but the functionality to be able to mimic somebody else's strategy with an automated trading robot, a computer, basically algorithm that does it for you, from one single click to clone it over to in your account is, again, something that nobody has ever created. So this revolutionary software is going to make sure that you can trade highly effective strategies at the right time without having to monitor the markets at all. And so my goal in building this out has always been to have these bots find trades, place them, and then manage them for us. The complete cycle, not one or the other. So this is not a system that just finds trades and sends you email alerts. It is truly an automated trading platform, meaning that these bots that we create and these templates that we'll have in there that you can clone and adjust and tweak at your wishes, really, basically, can find trades. It's always scanning, always monitoring the market for that perfect opportunity for whatever that trading strategy is that you're working on. It will enter and execute the trades. It will then monitor the trades for your exits. So if you set exit profit targets at 50% or a stop loss at this, or you need to have the bot make adjustments, it will do all of that for you. So it's totally hands off. Now, of course, it's going to be a learning curve, and we'll have some more training and some more information and courses that we're going to be developing as this starts to roll out. But this is the ground floor of this new technology for trading. And I've always said that I think in most cases, the option industry seems to be behind the technology curve, when it comes to, new technology that comes out in regular markets, like new Siri technology or new voice recognition technology, new facial recognition technology. All of that stuff, we are still behind in options trading. We're still archaically, manually clicking and choosing what we trade and what strikes we select. That stuff can be automated. You do not have to do that anymore. And that's our goal, is to make sure that you basically get your life back, you get time back, while also setting yourself up for success with a completely automated and fully functional options trading system using these bots. So again, we'll have more information as we kind of get much, much closer to the release, but I'm just so excited about it. I have to keep telling you guys about it and, get everyone kind of juiced up and jacked up about what we're doing, because it's truly going to be a stepping stone in the future of trading technology. It's going to be a data point when somebody looks back in the past and says, that was the day that Option Alpha changed the entire game. And everybody started going to that model. Everybody started gravitating towards an auto trading model. And I want to be the first that releases that in the future. Now, again, you can just stay on our email list or on our social channels to get updates on when we officially launch. The biggest difference in officially launching for us is going to be the extinguishing of our lifetime program. So we have in the past had a lifetime elite program where if somebody wanted to just join our community, it was one-time fee, and you basically joined and you got everything. You got all of our software, all of our research, anything that we have now or in the future, and you joined at basically the highest level. Well, once that auto trading platform gets released here in the next 30 to 45 days, that program is going to be going away. And the reason it's going away is because as we release auto trading and have to build up servers to be able to handle this capacity, we are no longer going to be able to offer a one-time cost or one-time investment to get into the auto trading platform. So if you want to get everything that we have now, all the research we have, all the software that we have, and access to auto trading basically for a one-time investment for the rest of your life, you have to get into it at this level now. You cannot wait, because once we release it, lifetime is going away. Now, of course, we'll keep our promise, and that's big for me, is that we're going to keep our promise to all the people who are in lifetime. They're going to get the auto trading platform totally for free, no additional cost required. But everybody else after that point is just going to have to pay the monthly fee that's associated with the membership level that they want for auto trading. Now, of course, we'll have different various membership levels as it kind of releases, and you'll be able to pick and choose how active you want to be, how many bots you want to create, if you want to do single bots versus a portfolio of different tickers. All of that stuff will be things that you can choose and pick. And we want to give you guys, no pun intended, but a lot of options in that. But we cannot anymore, after it's released, just have a one-time cost for membership into the platform, because we have server costs and we have data costs and we have all these things that kind of go into it that we need to make sure that we cover so that the system is sustainable for many, many years going forward into the future. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on the Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.